Welcome to the mix, and on the mix today, Dwayne speaks out about Solaine and the financial help he gave. Gracie fires at Dwayne, saying he allegedly nammed Solaine money. Kingston 13 says she's an idiot to social media, but there is no stars on the page. And Ashanti says Solaine is hungry and not eat from morning, and Duisha a eat her out. Stay tuned for the stories and details.
The page is monetized. Even after the page is monetized, I was still giving her money because, listen, she needs to make an amount of money. She needs to make an amount of money before Facebook can give her any money. And listen, Solaine she hasn't made $100. She just made $114 and some change. So who wants to have them thinking what? Go right ahead and listen. More me for chat anything. And remember, I'm not on here putting out cash apps. Yes, I pinned cash up for my birthday. Yes, I pinned cash up a couple times when I wanted to help people. Absolutely. Yes, I pinned cash up when I was doing my trending entertainment. However, most of the times, most of the monies came out of my own pocket. Mr. Ona cannot style me. I'm not a beggar. Like some of Ono is beggar, beggishes, and
listen to the clips.
beg Onos. That's what that is what I'm gonna call some of you. Beggars, and even more beggars. Understand? I'm good. I'm great. I'm amazing. I'm blessed. I'm favored. So hear what? Listen, I am going to come back tomorrow. No, darling. No, listen, I feel like I've given enough money on my page, right? I've given away a lot of, guys, I've given away a lot of money on this page. Jesus Christ. One person got more than 200 plus thousand from me. And they squandered every single red cent. They squandered it. They squandered it. I am such a fool.
That side, 13 Dwayne Solaine money nationals. The stars money can't go on one side because we know the stars money not run it. Stars money not run it. So left the stars there one side. But Dwayne have eaten Solaine money and take it by food yam. We know Dwayne and yam Solaine money. Solaine is say, they might live for they want to live. Dwayne say, they might live for they want to live, them want. She not, Solaine say, me not tell nobody enough to turn bad man or nothing. So I don't want nobody to control my money and my things there. Don't send no money. Tell you all me don't say Dwayne want me. When I go like say we are idiot over here. So Solaine say, do not send no cash up to them cash up for me. Me I'm telling them I know cash up. Solaine too. Then if Solaine not talk about cash up money, then Solaine talk about cash up on the line. And tell us I don't send no cash up to Dwayne. Send it to she. Dwayne name Solaine money. Dwayne name cash up and Dwayne want control the cash up. And Dwayne want tell her how to spend her money. And she say, when him a dress like Batman and a dip up on the people, she not control him, so she not make him come control her. That's Solaine say. That so say. So say that. So Lord, said nation and say, Dwayne. Soon I go for that work. I get in touch with Solaine and give Solaine a 100 interview, man. What? Before that work, I would have said, well, I put 100 together, 2020, and the 10 them together, and cash up, and pay Solaine. A long time we don't do a show with So. We do for our next show, live with So. Anytime the phone combination as we got interview So.
Solaine video go, people, I'm an idiot to social media, but there's no stars on it. I am an idiot to social media, good afternoon, but there's no stars on it. So, I don't want to say Solaine lie on him, but this time, and I'm going to say this, I don't know if people give him donation. I know people had informed me that he asked them for money to come on board to buy food for Solaine. That they have informed me, and I tell them don't give him no money. Give the money over to Rushmore. But this time, no, he's innocent. The page that he posts Solaine video on Trending Drama 2, it's not monetized. It is not monetized. Again, people, again, I don't know if Dwayne Fletcher collects money for Solaine this time in his cash app. But for now, because let me tell you something, the worst name somebody can call people is a thief and scammer without having proof. For now, no, he don't rob her nothing. Unless he collect it, but for the page, he does not, because he does not post Solaine video and the Trending Drama that is monetized with. So let it make sense here. He does not, the only money that he is supposed to give Solaine, which he started giving her some part, is the money from June, that those money was to go, and Solaine change that he have left. And if you listen, when he called the cockroach from over Brooklyn out on me, the cockroach, he asked the cockroach, the live is there, he asked the cockroach if he can keep the change from Solaine, and the cockroach did tell him yes. This is what I'm telling you, people. You need to understand. Listen, let me tell you something. I don't hate him, but I don't like him either. For I don't like that guy either. But when to come out and call him a thief, it must be justified. He did took it in the past. But at this moment we are talking about, that's why nobody's gonna like me. The page that he is Trending Drama 2 that is posted.
Sell what they the hungry and eat from morning, and we shall eat her out. Livingston. Livingston. What are them people? What are they?
Compulsory fasting. You understand?
And him come online every day and I sell one he can't hungry. Him family have too much property. Can't hungry, Solaine all have family in England or India. At least every Sunday we know if you have fuck or always see her or just about. Solaine eat a home cooked meal. Even on Sunday you eat home cooked meal. Solaine can cook better than you. I tell you, Solaine higher function than you. There's a higher function than you. I think I joke, mommy. Solaine push out something upon the earth. You see what man say? You mean? A nice young man. Take care of Joseph, man. I tell him he'd have the hype on the wall all the time. Help the people them want help, man. Don't do that.
Guys, you understand I mean not eat from money. That's so much money there from the page. I mean not eat from money.
So when Solaine says she's hungry and her page man arise, you know it I get stars, I know if it I get high, but I get at least stars. Her money are coming and how much her money, and she's hungry and the food now coming to she. And everybody knows that Louisa in charge of her page. So we shall say the food now coming to she. You saw what man say?